In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run OCR in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, converts the text inside scanned images into real, selectable, searchable text. That means you can copy content, run searches, and make your PDF accessible without retyping anything. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently from start to finish. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Once it's open, go ahead and open the scanned PDF you want to work with. If you're not sure whether it's truly scanned, try dragging your mouse over a line of text. If you can't select individual words, you're looking at an image-based PDF, and OCR is exactly what you need. Next, look to the global left sidebar and click All Tools. From the list that appears, select Scan and OCR. This workspace is dedicated to improving scanned documents, and it's where you'll find the controls for recognizing text. In the left panel under Recognize Text, click in this file. This tells Acrobat you want to run OCR on the document that's currently open, and it will reveal options to fine-tune the process before you begin. Start by setting document language. Choose the language that matches the text in your PDF, so Acrobat analyzes the correct character shapes. If your file mixes languages, pick the primary one used throughout the document. Aligning the language is one of the quickest ways to improve accuracy, especially for accented characters and special symbols. Then review the page's setting. You can run OCR on all pages, the current page, or a specific range like 5 through 12. For small documents, all pages is usually best. For long reports or when you only need a section, processing a range can save time and let you focus on what matters most. When you're ready, click the blue Recognize Text button. Acrobat will process each page, adding a hidden text layer behind the page image. The visual look of the PDF stays the same, but now you can select, search, and copy the text. When it finishes, test a few words with the selection tool or use the Find command to confirm the text is recognized correctly. Finally, save your updated PDF. Use Save or Save As to create a new copy, ideally with a clear name so you can tell it has OCR applied while keeping your original file intact. That's it! You've turned a static scan into a fully searchable, editable document using Adobe Acrobat Pro's Scan and OCR tools.